There's a whole lot that the ACE department can offer. We have a team of engineers and programmers and electricians that all work together to make sure that every project is customized for anything the customer requires. One thing that I find really interesting is a lot of the PLC and automation, because it means that we can get a whole lot of functionality out of very compact units, make sure everything's working very well. One project that really stood out for me was we were working on a large panel for an agricultural company, and it mounts on a large truck that goes out into the field, and the panel controls about 30 motors. We have a fairly rigorous testing process that we go through. We make sure everything's point-to-pointed, all the I/Os tested. We fill out all the paperwork, make sure everything's serialized, and we make sure that everything's working up to the standards that the customers require. We recently were working on a large power unit for a large mining company, and we were going back and forth with them, figuring out what they needed from their factory acceptance testing, carrying out all the testing, make sure everything was up to the standard that they required.